Hi everyone, having trouble signing in to Zoho CRM? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common login problems and show you how to fix them so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. First, double-check that you're entering the correct email address and password. Make sure caps lock is turned off and watch for any typing mistakes before trying again. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset it using your registered email address. If you're using two-factor authentication, make sure you're entering the correct verification code. If you don't receive the code, check your authentication app or any backup methods you've previously set up. Next, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, or sign in using a different browser or an incognito window. This can often fix temporary login issues caused by stored browser data. If you're still unable to log in, check whether Zoho services are experiencing an outage, or contact your organization's Zoho administrator or Zoho support for additional help. And that's it. Yeah, one of these steps should help you resolve most Zoho CRM login issues. If this guide helped you, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.